Alright guys, we got my table saw top here. It's kind of getting a little rusty. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up this table saw top, remove this rust, and put some protector on it. I'm going to be using PB Blaster. Internet says it works really good on your table saw tops, and I'm going to be using 400 grit sandpaper. 2 nights ago, my kid left the door open to the shop. We had a huge thunderstorm come in with about 2 inches of rain coming in sideways. Got everything in my shop wet about halfway in. So got some water on the table saw. It's humid in here. Got the dehydrator going. I squeegeed everything out. Now I'm going to give it a wipe and see how clean it is. Need to figure out a good way to get in this this groove here. There you go. It's nice and shiny again. It's got some stains on it. There's one rust spot. Alright, thanks for watching.